In this video, you'll learn how to copy and paste keyframes in your timeline so you can quickly reuse animation or effects without having to rebuild them from scratch. This is a simple but powerful technique that can save you a lot of time and help keep your motion consistent across your project. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure you're working in the timeline panel and that you can clearly see the keyframes you want to copy. Keyframes are usually represented as small icons or diamonds along the timeline, attached to a specific property like position, scale, or opacity. Zoom in a little if you need to so you can select them more accurately. Now you'll need to select the keyframes you want to copy. There are two main ways to do this. The first method is to drag a selection box over them. Move your cursor just above or below the row of keyframes you're targeting, click and hold, then drag to create a rectangular selection that covers all the keyframes you want. When you let go, those keyframes should appear highlighted, indicating they're selected. The second method is helpful when your keyframes aren't grouped together or when you only want a few specific ones. In that case, click each keyframe individually while holding the Shift key. Each keyframe you click with Shift held down will be added to your selection. This is especially useful if your keyframes are spread out over time and you don't want to grab everything in between. Take a moment to make sure all the keyframes you need are highlighted before moving on. Once your keyframes are selected, you're ready to copy them. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On a Mac, press Command+C. Nothing obvious may change on screen, but those keyframes are now stored in memory, ready to be pasted. If you accidentally deselect them, don't worry, you can always undo and reselect them again. Next, move the playhead to the new time where you want to paste these keyframes. The position of the playhead is important because it will usually determine where the first copied keyframe lands. Click on the timeline ruler or drag the playhead to line it up with the exact frame where you want the animation or effect to begin. It can help to zoom in slightly here as well so you can place the playhead with frame level precision. Before you paste, make sure you've selected the same property on the layer that you copied from. For example, if you copied position keyframes, click on the position property on the target layer. If you copied opacity, select the opacity property. This ensures the software knows exactly where to attach the incoming keyframes. If you paste into the wrong property, the result won't look right or nothing may appear at all. With the playhead in place and the correct property selected, you're ready to paste. On Windows, press Ctrl+V. On a Mac, press Command+V. The copied keyframes should now appear in the timeline at the new time, keeping their original spacing and values. Scrub through the timeline or preview your animation to confirm everything looks the way you expect. That's all there is to it. By carefully selecting your keyframes, copying them, moving the playhead, choosing the correct property, and pasting, you can quickly duplicate animation or effects anywhere in your timeline while keeping